Hey everyone, welcome to PassFab channel. If you have been locked out of your Windows 11 computer because you forgot your password, someone changed the password, or some other reason, it can be frustrating. But the good news is that there is a way to log into your computer without using the password. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to reset or completely remove your Windows 11 password without needing to log in and without losing any of your personal files or data. This method is highly recommended, and it's the use of PassFab Forward Key. This is a professional tool, which makes the process very easy and straightforward. You can easily log into your computer and even delete passwords and accounts without any data loss. Use the link in the video description below to download and install the software on a working system. Launch PassFab Forward Key and you'll arrive on this page. Make sure you have a USB flash drive ready. Plug it into the system and click on Start. In the following drop-down menu, choose the drive and click Start Burning. The software would make a boot disk, and within a few seconds, the bootable disk will be created successfully. You can then see instructions that you need to follow to remove the password on your computer. Exit the app and eject the USB flash drive. Go back to the locked PC. Plug in the USB flash drive you just burned the program to. Restart your PC and reboot into the startup menu. Depending on your PC type and model, this process can be different from just pressing F10 or Escape key. Select Boot Device options and choose to boot from the USB flash drive. Give it a few seconds, and PassFab Forward Key will load files. On this screen that appears, select the Windows OS, in this case, Windows 11. Click on Next and you'll arrive on this page. There's 2 accounts on this system, as you can see. I want to remove the account on the administrator account. With the account selected, come down to the next step and choose what you want to do. As you can see, there are several options. Choose either to reset account password or remove account password. Either option would allow you to bypass the PC password. Click on Next, and the account password will be removed. On the following screen, you can then reboot the PC. The PC is now fully booted up, and as you can see, the account password has been removed, and you can just log in without entering any password. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful to solve your Windows 11 password problem, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.